All right, it's time to take a quick check on our almanac and see where we're at. Last couple of days, we've had temperatures not only in the 40s, but also 50s yesterday. So the record is 65 degrees back in 2008, so we're nowhere near that. Right now, we've had temperatures today at 43, so we're pretty much right on average. Nighttime temperature was 28, so running a little warmer. The record is -5 back in 1918, so we don't have any of that kind of cold air, but we do have cold air working its way in as we speak. So once this storm system moves through, you can actually see the warmer air to our south, and then look at all the cold air getting into the teens and single digits and even below zero as you head out to the north central plains. Now overnight, that temperature is going to drop down, which will be right around freezing mark, and then tomorrow we'll just be slightly right back above, and then we're going to have a shot of cold air. We will be in the teens Sunday night, and that's what this storm system is going to do for us, just bring some of that Arctic air back in. Now, as far as cloud cover during the day, it just slowly started to meander all day long, but in the last few hours, it really changed. We've got plenty of cloud cover throughout the region. That's because that storm system is just right behind us a few hours after midnight, and it's going to work its way into the region. We can take a look at just about 4:30. We can see snow around our entire region, a little bit of possibly mixed from D.C. east, but as it goes through that morning, we'll see this really dark blue color, and that just means heavy snow. So it's going to really snow for several hours with a pretty good intensity. When it's a wet snow like that, it can accumulate pretty quickly. And then right around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, if it's still around, we'll have a little bit of a mix, but then it's gone. It's out of here. We have a high pressure that moves in for Monday morning, so I'll have a mix of sun and clouds all day on Monday. And then our next small clipper comes through. It's relatively a dry front, but we're looking at a chance of showers on your Tuesday morning. Other than that, it's pretty dry. The next weather that we're looking at is really coming up on Wednesday for the next event. But as far as snow totals, we've got the larger swath, 4 to 6 inches in the areas in that bright, darker blue. And then anytime you go north or south, we're looking at really about 2 to 4 inches. So for tonight, right around 32 degrees, that snow will be starting around 3 to 5 a.m. So for tomorrow morning, you can look at some of that snow first thing in the morning. By about 1 o'clock is when it's wrapping up and moving out of the area. We'll see plenty of sunshine, still be right above freezing by 5 o'clock, and then it's going to dip down pretty cold. It's going to be 24 degrees at 9 p.m. Some of our daytime highs, warmer areas, Hagerstown 39, but we see a bunch of 40s in Northern Virginia. Manassas 42, Luray also 42, and Petersburg at 38. So for your 7-day forecast, we have a few different disturbances throughout the week. We've got our snow on Sunday, and then Monday, much really colder temperatures, but we've got a lot of sunshine. And then Wednesday into Thursday's system I was talking about, we've got some light snow. It's going to be with us through Thursday, but once Thursday night and Friday comes along, it's actually going to start mixing with some rain, and then a shot of cold air by Friday night getting into the teens and only high in the 20s on Saturday.